Profumo. The new intensity. Giorgio Armani.
Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi there, it's Max & Sons Parfum again, and today we are going to unbox something from Meli's Closet. So I ordered something from Meli's Closet, and the one that I ordered is the Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani, the one which is the Profumo, I should say. So this is the planker of the original Acqua di Gio. So let's try to open it, right? And let's try to see what's inside. So it's my first time to order to this stores, Meli's Closet, and let's try to see if it's worth the price. And the delivery is quite good, really good, so fast. Just ordered like yesterday and it's arrived today, so it's pretty fast. So let's open it in here. So we will just open like this. Okay, all right. Okay, as you can see, we're opening it right now. Okay, it's a little bit quite alright, let's open like this one. Okay, as you can see, we are opening now. Alright. Okay. Alright. So as you can see, we are opening the box, which contains the Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. Alright. This is unboxed. I mean, it's not in the original bottle. This is, I think this is 75 ml. Alright, so as you can see, this is a bubble wrap. Okay, this is the box now. Right, and we don't need the box now. And this is the item. Oh my god, so it's wrapped very safe. So it's really safe. It's wrapped safely. So I think the seller wants to like make it sure that the item will arrive safely. So this is quite good, and we can see now the bottle. Wow. So as you can see, this is now the bottle. Okay, alright, so as you can see now, this is now the bottle. It is like the Giorgio Armani perfume. So this is 75 ml, as you can see over here. Okay, as you can see at the bottom of the bottle, you can see the Acqua di Gio Profumo, okay, perfume, which is 75 ml bottle. Okay, so as you can see, the bottle is quite nice. There's a quite like in here, there's a like the cap in here, there's a quite defective, so it might hit something during the delivery, or maybe because these are from the mall, so they are like from the mall, so maybe it was damaged before, but this is not a question at all. So I think this is okay. And this is the cup inside, as you can see. Alright, and this is the exact bottle. So I think from we can see the liquid is like pool. So I think this is quite good, and this is a serial number, as you can see. Okay, the batch number is 38S700C. Okay, so this is the, I'm sorry about that, and this is what we can see now from the Acqua di Gio Giorgio Armani Profumo. So this is the black bottle and the magnetic cup. so it's a little bit like there's a quite like it's not a damage actually, but yeah, we can say it's a damage on the cup, but this is not a question because it has a cup, just like a magnetic cup, like some of the magnetic cup that we have, like we have the Dior Sauvage as well. They have magnetic cup, and the 212 Carolina Herrera, it has also the magnetic cup. And this Giorgio Armani, the main accord of this one is aromatic, marine, fresh, spicy, amber, smoky, warm, spicy, citrus, woody, and balsamic. That includes the patchouli. So if we try to spray it like this, it's really nice. The smell is quite good, really good. You can see the fresh and spicy, the smoky, the warm, the citrus, and the mixture of woody. It's nice. The smells really nice. So it's fresh. You can definitely like stand out. It's masculine. It's masculine. You can have the smoky thing, and really nice. From I can tell for the you know, the smell of it. And you know, this Acqua di Gio Profumo by Giorgio Armani is an aromatic aquatic fragrance for men. Acqua di Gio Profumo was launched in 2015. The nose behind this fragrance is Alberto Morillas, and Alberto Morillas also one of the noses behind Jeremy's fragrance, and that's really good. So top notes are Sea Notes, Bergamot. Middle notes are Rosemary, suds, and Geranium. Base notes are Incense and Patchouli. So this is quite really nice, guy. I mean, this is quite good smelling perfume. If you can try and you can make it like your signature perfume. And let me test this faster later on. I had the bigger bottle of this one like way back, like 2018, something like this, but I consume it already. So alright, so this is again Max & Sons Parfum, and this is my unboxing with the Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani, the Profumo. I ordered it from I forget the name again. I ordered from Melai's Closet. Okay, so shout out to Melai's Closet, and thank you so much for this perfume. And okay, Max & Sons Parfum here, and see you again, guys.
Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.